Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 adults experience anxiety disorders every single year? That means almost everyone you know, your friends, family, and even your coworkers has either faced anxiety themselves or knows someone who has. Imagine what life could look like if we had the tools to break free from that constant weight. Today, I want to introduce you to a tool that's helped thousands reclaim their peace of mind: hypnosis. Forget what you've seen in movies. Hypnosis isn't about swinging watches or mind control. It's a gentle, science-backed process that taps into your subconscious and helps you rewire your response to stress and anxiety. If you've ever struggled with anxiety, you know how it can hijack your day. It pops up whenever you're trying to focus at work and leaves you feeling like you're never really in control of your own mind. Maybe it's racing thoughts, a pounding heart, or that sinking feeling in your stomach that just won't go away. What's worse, sometimes advice like just relax or think positive feels impossible in the moment. That's why so many people are searching for practical, effective ways to manage their anxiety, something that goes deeper than surface level fixes. This is where hypnosis comes in. Hypnosis works by helping you access a relaxed, focused state of mind, a bit like being fully absorbed in a good book or movie. In this state, your subconscious is more open to positive suggestions and new ways of thinking. For example, techniques like progressive relaxation can train your body to let go of tension, while guided imagery helps you replace anxious thoughts with calming, empowering ones. I've seen clients go from feeling overwhelmed daily to managing stress with a sense of calm confidence. Some even report sleeping better and feeling more in control after just a few sessions. Let me share one powerful hypnosis technique you can try right now: the safe place visualization. Start by closing your eyes and taking a slow, deep breath. Picture yourself in a place where you feel completely safe and at ease. It could be a beach, a quiet forest, or even a memory from childhood. Notice the colors here. Notice the sounds. Notice the textures around you. And notice any smells. Engage all of your senses here. As you breathe in, imagine calmness flowing through your body. As you breathe out, let go of any tension Let go of any and all worry. Feel it drop, and if it feels like a weight on your back, now is the time to release it. Let it go. Hear it hit the ground with a thud. Pause for a moment. Scan your body from head to toe. And notice how you feel in this moment. You are powerful. You are remembering your own innate powers to calm the body just by breathing and moving into the body. And from this moment on, you find it easy and effortless to calm this body. When you practice this regularly, your mind starts to associate this sense of safety with your daily life, making it easier to break free from anxiety whenever it shows up. So today we've looked at how anxiety affects us, why hypnosis can be such a powerful tool for relief, and a simple technique you can start using right away. Hypnosis isn't magic, but it's a proven way to help your mind and body find calm in the chaos.